Hello there, we've got the Team TS4000. It's a CE approved radio, but this version is 40 UK channels only. So I've seen these before as 80 channel sets. This is 40. So the mode switch is a tone instead of being the different banks of channels. I don't know why the camera is so far away. Right, it's an up-down mic with a novel feature of a signal. Let's go to make a Chippie channel. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger on that, off you go.
Roger.
I'll just unplug the extension speaker, because when I heard it talking earlier it sounded a bit iffy on its own speaker.
Alright, popping the house and recording.
Yes, it is. Roger on that, and we've got a tone control.
Roger that, so I'm heading up the lane towards the end of it.
That's
passing,
better.
Passing play.
Bassy,
And
treble,
doggy daycare, which
bass,
seems to have
treble.
finished for the day.
Roger on that. So I'll get the speaker replaced in that as soon as
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
tomorrow happens. Roger on that, got you the end of the lane.
Roger.
Roger.
Service station and it's closed.
Roger on that, we're a bit later today.
We are. Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Top of the hill as we go down towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill. This microphone has got a built-in call tone.
Roger that. Very good. Yeah, it's quite loud audio on that set as well.
Yeah, I'll make sure it's right. It's not. I bet there's lots of speech processing with it being a year 2000, but.
Yeah, roger that. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner, Wilson. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a
Team TS2 4000 model. It's 40 channel UK only FM, and it's from the year 2000. It's a CE approved radio, and it's doing full forward sample over.
Yep, roger that. All received. No problems.
Roger, it's an unusual microphone. It's up down mic. It's got that call turn on. It's obviously an electret condenser mic, and the only way you can change channel on this radio is with the correct mic. There are no knobs on the radio.
have a problem with the mic.
Well, I've got one of these which I bought years ago, and I don't know what we did mic-wise. We probably got the right mic for that one as well. But I was able to download the instruction book for this today, and the wiring is in the instruction book, which is pretty helpful.
Yep, roger that. We're now clear of Wilsford level crossing.
Roger on that.
Passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, you have the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. No, we're not. We're passing the Greylees turn.
We are indeed.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on this Team TS two-way 4000 model radio from the year 2000. It's CE approved, UK 40 channels, drawing 1.2 amps to deliver about 3.95 watts. The factory original microphone is the only microphone, and that's it because it doesn't have low power over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger that on that. Off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, I could do both on this, couldn't I? What can we say?
Well, I think you started with a C, but you know, I'm trying to drive. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yeah, 157.9 and 189.9.
Roger on that. Well, that works a treat. Thanks very much. 10-10.
Roger that. 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going out for Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol's price for me at that end today, please? Over.
Yeah, 157.9 and 189.9.
Roger on that. Well, that worked a treat. Thanks very much. 1010. Right. Apart from the Duff speaker in it, we'll get that replaced tomorrow. That's why we do the on the outer, so you can't tell with the instruments. So, right. Go over to our base station and see what that sounds like on its factory original mic.
TS2 model 4000 radio from the year 2000.